You clicked on this video because you want to make thousands of dollars every month, and I'm not going to let you down. Today, I'm going to show you a very effective method that can help you build a consistent online income from home without spending any money to get started. As many of you already know, kids' coloring books generate thousands of dollars every single month. If we go to Etsy and search for children's coloring books, you'll find listings with hundreds of sales, which means they're generating thousands of dollars in monthly revenue. But today, instead of selling coloring books only on Amazon KDP or Etsy, I'm going to show you how to sell coloring books anywhere in the world, right from your home, using a simple, beginner-friendly method. Stay with me until the end of this video, and you'll learn exactly how to design a complete professional coloring book for free, and then sell it worldwide without spending a single dollar. As I mentioned, everything we're doing in this tutorial is completely free. For creating our coloring book, I'll be using the free version of ChatGPT, and to print and sell the book anywhere in the world, we'll be using the well-known print-on-demand platform, Printful. You'll find every single link I use in this tutorial down in the video description, so you can easily follow along. When you visit Printful, you'll discover thousands of products available, from clothing and home decor to accessories and so much more. So don't limit yourself to selling just one type of product. You can sell almost anything. And my friend, you'll also find an entire playlist on my channel where I teach you how to design and sell many different products professionally. So I highly recommend checking it out after this video. I also recommend starting this business as soon as possible because the demand for these products is huge. If we go to the new products section on Printful, you'll notice they've recently added a kids coloring book, and this is your opportunity. New products often gain traction much faster because fewer people are selling them at the beginning. And if you don't see it in the new products section, no problem. Simply go to the search bar, type coloring book, and you'll find it right away. The book measures 8.5 by 11 inches, which is one of the most popular sizes for children's activity books. The base price is only $8, which is an amazing price and much lower than the production cost of many coloring books sold through Amazon KDP. It includes 26 pages along with the cover, and the pages have a high-quality glossy finish. The process is incredibly simple. Whenever a customer from anywhere in the world orders your coloring book, Printful automatically prints it, packages it professionally, and ships it directly to the customer, while you receive the profit automatically. That's exactly why I believe this is one of the best business models for the future, and I strongly recommend getting started with it today. Now, let's begin designing our coloring book. All I have to do is click on the Start Designing button. This will take us to this page. If we open the Upload section, you'll see that you can upload your own designs and apply them directly to this coloring book. And that's exactly what we're going to do throughout this tutorial. Before we move on to the design stage, my friend, let's go back to Etsy one more time. In many of my previous videos, I showed you exactly how to find profitable products. So by now, you already know how to choose a coloring book niche with low competition and high demand. For example, I found this coloring book called Cute Animals Coloring Book, and that's the one I want to recreate and sell, whether it's on Etsy, Amazon KDP, or anywhere in the world using Printful. So, how do we actually do that? Let's jump straight into the design process. As I promised, we're going to do everything completely free. I'll head directly to the free version of ChatGPT, and I'm simply going to ask it to generate 25 prompts that I can use to create a children's animal coloring book. Within seconds, ChatGPT starts writing everything for me. It generates a prompt for the front cover, and then it creates individual prompts for every single inside page, with each animal having its own unique prompt. Since we're starting with the interior pages, you'll notice that ChatGPT also provides a general prompt that should be used before generating each coloring page. So I'll copy that general prompt first, then open a brand new ChatGPT conversation and paste it there. After that, I'll go back, copy the first animal prompt, place it underneath the general prompt, and click Generate. Instantly, ChatGPT begins creating the first coloring page. And just look at this result. It's absolutely amazing. The illustration is perfect for a coloring book, packed with fun details that children will enjoy coloring. It's honestly incredible to see what the free version of ChatGPT can create today. The quality is impressive, and the page is ready to use without any extra editing. Now, let's move on to the second page. I'll return to ChatGPT, copy the same general prompt again, add the prompt for the second animal underneath it, and ChatGPT immediately starts generating the second illustration, this time featuring an adorable kitten. The entire process is smooth, fast, and unbelievably easy. Let's continue by creating the third page of the book. As you can see, all of the pages share a very similar artistic style, which makes the entire coloring book look professional and consistent. That's something parents really appreciate because it gives the book a polished, high-quality appearance. And here's another great advantage. You don't have to generate just one page at a time. You can create multiple pages simultaneously, saving yourself a huge amount of time. Look at what I'm doing right now. I'm generating several coloring pages at the exact same time using the same completely free ChatGPT account. And honestly, every single page comes out looking fantastic on the very first attempt, with little to no editing needed. Once I finish generating all of the interior pages, the only thing left to do is download every image. Now let's move on to designing the front cover. If we go back to the main ChatGPT conversation, you'll see that it also generated a dedicated prompt for creating the book cover. All I have to do is copy that prompt, paste it into ChatGPT again, and it immediately starts creating this beautiful cover design. The result is absolutely fantastic. The artwork matches the style of the coloring book perfectly. However, there's one small problem. ChatGPT didn't add a title to the cover. That's an easy fix. I'll simply ask ChatGPT to suggest several ready-made book titles. In just a few seconds, it gives me a long list of title ideas, and I can choose whichever one I like the most. Personally, I'm going to choose the first title because I really like it. Then I'll ask ChatGPT to redesign the cover and place that title directly on it. And just look at the final result. It's absolutely stunning. I'm honestly amazed by the quality of this cover. It looks incredibly professional, and it's hard to believe that it was created completely free. You can produce coloring books with this level of quality without spending a single dollar, and we're still not finished. The next step is where we're going to turn this digital coloring book into a real physical product that can be sold anywhere in the world, and start generating thousands of dollars every month. So make sure you stay with me until the very end. Now let's head back to Printful and continue building our coloring book. We'll open the Upload section and upload all of the images we created, including every interior page and the front cover. Once everything has finished uploading, it's time to apply each image to the coloring book. The process is very simple. From the menu at the top, we'll choose the page we want to edit, then assign the correct image to that page. For example, to upload the cover, I'll select Cover from the top menu, choose my cover image, and click Apply. But here's something interesting. Printful immediately tells me that this cover doesn't fit the book correctly. Why? Because we only created a portrait front cover, while Printful expects a complete wraparound cover that includes both the front and the back. So, how do we solve this problem? It's actually much easier than you might think. All we have to do is click on File Guidelines at the top. This section shows us the exact dimensions that Printful requires for the cover. If we scroll down a little, we'll find all of the measurements for both the cover and the interior pages. Now I'll jump over to Canva and create a brand new design using the exact cover dimensions that Printful provided. And my friend, throughout this entire video, I'm intentionally showing you both the problems and the solutions so you won't run into these issues when you start your own business. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and drop a comment below. Your support really motivates me to keep creating tutorials like this for you. Back in Canva, I'll simply upload the cover image we already created and place it on the right side of the canvas because that's going to be the front of our book. The left side will become the back cover. You can add any design you like there, but to keep things simple, I'm just going to use a light sky blue color that matches the style of the front cover. Once that's done, I'll export the new cover as a PNG image. Now let's return to Printful, upload the new cover image, and apply it again. And just like that, the problem is completely solved. The cover now fits perfectly and matches all of Printful's printing requirements. Next, we'll move to the top menu again, choose page 1, and upload the first interior coloring page. As you can see, it fits perfectly, and Printful even shows you exactly where that page appears inside the book. The whole process is incredibly easy and very enjoyable. I'll repeat the exact same steps for page 2 by selecting the second page and uploading the corresponding coloring image. Then I'll continue doing the same thing for every remaining page until all 25 interior pages have been added. It's really just a matter of selecting the page number and assigning the correct image. Once everything is finished, you can click on the cover to preview it in high quality. Then you can flip through every interior page one by one. Every time you click on a page, you'll see exactly how it will look in the final printed book. And honestly, seeing your entire coloring book come together like this is incredibly satisfying. Once we've finished adding all of our designs, the only thing left to do is click the Save Template button. After that, Printful will display all the details for your coloring book. Pay close attention here because this section includes several useful features that will help you manage your business more efficiently. If you click the 3 dots in the upper right corner, you'll find a menu with several options. From here, you can edit your product whenever you want. And with another option, you can automatically generate professional mock-up images of your coloring book. These mock-ups are perfect for promoting your product on social media or listing it in your online store, whether you're selling on Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, or any other platform. High-quality mock-ups can make a huge difference and help increase your sales significantly. If we go back, you'll also notice that Printful gives you the option to order a sample copy of your book. This is a great way to review the print quality, check every page, and see exactly what your customers will receive, no matter where you are in the world. Once you're happy with everything, it's time to publish your coloring book. All you have to do is click the Publish button. Printful will then ask you to connect the platform where you want to sell your product. You can sell almost anywhere: Etsy, Shopify, Amazon, and many other marketplaces. Let's say we want to sell this coloring book on Etsy. Simply choose Etsy from the list, sign into your Etsy account, and connect it to Printful, completely free. With just a few clicks, your coloring book will automatically appear in your Etsy store once the connection is complete. The process is incredibly simple, and Printful handles the integration for you, making it easy to start selling without dealing with complicated technical steps. And my friend, I strongly recommend that you don't limit yourself to selling only this one product. Printful offers thousands of products, and they're constantly adding new ones on a regular basis. That means you have endless opportunities to grow your business. You can sell clothing, home decor, accessories, educational products for kids, and so much more. On my channel, you'll also find an entire playlist dedicated to Printful, where I explain how to create and sell many different products step by step. I highly encourage you to watch those videos and start building your own product catalog. Start taking action today. I'm confident that if you follow the same methods I'm teaching throughout this channel, you'll be able to build a business that generates consistent daily sales. I've been working in this business for 7 years, and everything I'm sharing with you comes from real experience. I truly hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!